Welcome to our Adventure Miles. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We are wrapping up our time here in Brasov, Romania. It has been absolutely a joy. If you haven't checked out our playlist, check it out. There's so much to see and do. And we had a little bit of a surprise. We actually had the opportunity to check out the Oktoberfest. For now, we're just going to end up with our room tour, so enjoy.
Hello, we just got to our room and we want to give you a room tour. We have a living room area here. It's quite a big couch. It looks really comfy. One of the features this couch has is a pull-out. Steve's going to pull it out here to show you. Just makes the couch so much bigger and more relaxing. Opposite side of this living room is the kitchen area, and there's a table there for eating. I went through the cupboards. It seems to have everything that we need. And then there's a hallway here that has the washing machine. Yeah, and further down is a bathroom. And off the living room there is a balcony, and it has 2 seats with a lovely view.
What's cool is when you come out on the balcony, if you're thirsty, hungry, whatever, you can pop down some real grapes. It's kind of cool having a grapevine right on the balcony.
That is so cool. I think we're going to be very comfortable here. It seems quite large, has actually more than what we thought. It's very nice. There's a beautiful picture above the couch and a cool clock. So through this area is where the bedroom is. And it's got storage. Very nice.
And yeah, so this is it. We are wrapping up. We got a couple of days left, and then we are heading off to Greece. So we'll bring you all of that. The video, please subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.